Hello, my name is Nikita Vdovenko. I'm marketing manager at Kuoll, and now I'm going to briefly walk you through the main features of the app. So to start using Kuoll, you need to sign up and choose your password. After that, you will be redirected to the installation guide, where you will be offered to copy and insert the Kuoll JavaScript code before the closing of your head tag. Please copy that code and insert it using this instruction and hit save on your website. When you finish with that, you are pretty much ready to go. And after that, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard where one of the main features of Kuoll are stored. So briefly, what are the main functions that you are able to see using Kuoll loss monitoring tool? So on the top, you may choose from error types that occurred on your website, customer steps on the road to conversion, so time period where an issue have happened, the critical or new issues, and if a user was logged in or wasn't. Below are the main information about the error, which is stored here. So let me break this down to you. Here you may see the total number of users on a certain path to conversion, and here is the number of converted users on this path to conversion. This number shows the overall number of users affected by an issue, and this one shows the amount of people who converted despite the issue that occurred on this given path to conversion. On the right here, you may see a percentage of revenue that you lost during to this error and issue. Statistical significance is calculated with the usage of most recent data analysis techniques, and is calculated with a special formula that is embedded in our JavaScript. And this is calculated on our Kuoll server. And what is important is the fact that the more conversions and the more actions were taken on a certain path to conversion, the more significant information and significant data you are able to obtain. On the right, you may see a reason that caused the issue, and if we click here, we may see the breakdown of the exact reason that lead to that issue with more detailed information about this. So let me break this down also. On the left, you may see a start date when the issue started happening, and Kuoll script started to record it. Number of times it happened, and the last time that it happened. It's an effective tool to monitor specific errors that happen, for example, after updates, and it gives your development team clear vision of what happened after a certain update. Average duration and page views of the user is also useful to some of the developers to tackle the most critical issues first. On the right, you may see browsers that users were affected by, operating systems, and devices with more detailed breakup of mobile phones below. Here you may see the date and number of users that were affected, and A more detailed breakdown is also could be visible here with using Kuoll API. When you link it with your website, here you may see a user ID and his email to have a clear understanding of the exact user and exact steps that were affected. So let's see what happened with a exact user who spent 21 minutes on the website. Okay, now we can see exactly what happened, where this user came from, the channel that he used, operating system, browser, and the exact location where the error happened. So the beautiful thing about this is that most of this investigation process was conducted by a QA engineer before, and it took a substantial time to identify, prioritize, and start debugging issues. Now, with this automated monitoring tool, you're able to get all of this necessary information automatically and save a ton of time and, what is most important, ton of money. You're able to provide your users, your visitors of your e-commerce shop, with a spotless customer experience right at the moment when it's most necessary. And this is the beautiful part of the app. So this is basically it. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down below, and start using Kuoll today. Goodbye.